what exactly did you... Oh my Lord. You really did it.
Well, was I not supposed to do
I
it?
don't know.
She won't attack people.
Oh, so you wanted me to attack people?
Yeah, she still talks.
So, who exactly did you inject? A dead body, right? Right?
It was the heat of a moment.
This is not the type of decision you make in the heat of the
You
moment.
guys are so loud.
Sorry.
It's okay. My hearing feels a little funky anyways.
Anjelou, you're the most competent zombie expert I know. How could you inject a coma patient with the serum? She was only half dead. Of course she'll be only half a zombie.
Wait, zombie? Like the movies?
Yeah, like the movies.
Whoa.
Oh, Lord.
So, what are you gonna do? Wasn't she a Jane Doe?
Well, they were gonna pull her plug at the end of the day, so.
How are you gonna explain that she was resurrected when she looks like that?
Like what? Oh my God, like what? This is definitely something I should scream about. I hope I wasn't a beauty queen or something before this.
Gary, go get some body parts from the morgue before patient zero returns. Or do you remember your name? Before patient zero returns. Maybe it's a delayed effect.
Why me? I'm on my way.
You stay here. Act sick. Perfect. I'm gonna go do rounds before I put extra attention to myself. Don't do that again. Someone could have seen you. I don't know what you think this is, but we are not friends. You're supposed to be a brainless zombie. You're supposed to be something I could use so I wouldn't be used anymore. You're not anything else.
But you spent so much time with me.
Because you didn't talk back. You didn't judge me. I didn't even know you were listening to me. It's my job to clean people and tell them everything's gonna be okay. You are no different.
Why can't I just leave the hospital?
No, you can't do that.
Why not?
Because government will find you and torture you.
Anything different than what you were planning to do?
Lay down on bed or I'm gonna put you in the morgue.
Go ahead. According to you, it's pretty comfy in there.
Yes, it is. Anjelou would know.
I'm sorry. I lost her
Save
and...
it, henchman. Oh. You know how Target doesn't convict shoplifters until they've actually stolen enough for a felony? First, you're living in the morgue. Then you're sneaking into the virus vault. And now you're making half-baked zombie coma things and feeding them. How many years of jail is that, huh? 10 years? Life? I can't wait to find out. You're so pathetic. It's nice to know, at least, that some people will always belong in the basement. Have fun in solitary. Get out of my way. What?
the only thing I could think of. She's so annoying.
Guys,
That doesn't look like me.
Not at all.
Z, you don't think...
Yeah. We need to put her in the morgue. PZ. Great work, my friend. You just made a real zombie.